Hi there, my name is Zach and I'm on the sales team here at Pivotal Technologies. Today, I'm going to give you an introduction to Pivotal, I'm going to take you through a live demonstration of Infrastream, and I'm also going to provide you with the next steps so that you too can use Infrastream to automate, secure, and drive innovation within your business starting today. We're a software development company focused on modern platform engineering solutions with an extensive background in digital transformation and cybersecurity. Historically, speed and security have not coexisted well. Our objective is to bring both of these together and while remaining affordable to the market. Ultimately, this enables teams to focus purely on innovation and allows organizations to thrive. So then, why do organizations choose Infrastream? Well, firstly, on a global scale, major attacks and targeted breaches occur thousands of times a day, translating to nearly 2,000 recorded attacks every week for individual large-scale organizations. Security for us, therefore, is non-negotiable. Secondly, in the world of AI and various coding tools, the pressure to innovate has never been higher. That's why we want to bake in the fundamentals and drastically free up time for teams, enabling them to do what they love, which is to build. And thirdly, managing scaling cloud costs can be complex. As your infrastructure grows, expenses expand beyond basic compute. The dynamic pay-as-you-go nature of the cloud means unchecked scaling can lead to significant financial waste. Introducing Infrastream.